how to increase or decrease font size in OBS Studio. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily increase or decrease the font size on OBS Studio. So let's get started. So first thing first, just head over to your OBS Studio application. So once you open the application, just head over to the right section and click on settings, as you can see. And once you click on settings, just look at the option that is appearances, and under appearances, as you can see, right under the right side of your screen, you can either decrease or increase. When you increase, the font size also increases. When you decrease this bar, the font size also decreases. So you can basically adjust it. You can even adjust the density of the font as well. And once you do all of that, once you're satisfied, finally click on apply button and just click on OK. And just like that, you have successfully increased or decreased the font size on OBS Studio. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.